Hi guys, and today we're going to make slime. So this is blue, but you can't really see it, or can you? And so we're going to need something to mix with, and laundry detergent, liquid laundry detergent, and glue. Any glue. So first you're going to take some glue and pour it into your bowl. As much slime as you want, but it will make more slime once you start putting in the laundry detergent. So, okay. Then you're going to want to put in some laundry detergent. Okay, and just start pouring it, and then mixing it, and pouring and mixing. So, just a little bit, and then mix. And then start getting slimy. And since my laundry detergent is blue, my slime is going to be a little bit bluish. So, yeah. Okay. Start stirring. And just keep on stirring until it starts getting like clumpy. Till it's like that. Okay? And then you might have to add more glue if it's too watery. So then you're going to take out the slime. Out the slime. And then you're going to start kneading it. And see how it's like really like liquidy? Because it's like really liquidy and slippery right now. And it's kind of sticky too. To fix that, add more glue. Even though glue seems like it would make it more sticky, trust me, it will, but it'll fix your problem with not being slimy. Okay, then you're going to add more glue if it's not working and stir it up. Okay, then you're gonna start kneading it again. And see how it's like really like pretty sticky right now? If you just keep kneading and kneading, it'll get better. See, and now you have some slime. This slime is a darker blue, but then you can just have your slime. And there you go, that's it. That's all you need to make slime. Liquid laundry detergent and glue. You could always use borax and glue as well, but some people don't have borax. You can get liquid laundry detergent at the dollar store, and yeah. Bye.